Cyber threats are evolving fast, but so are the tools to fight them. Whether you're an IT professional, security analyst, or just someone serious about protecting digital assets, mastering Qualys can be a game changer. In today's video, we are diving into Qualys, the powerful cyber risk and security platform that helps businesses identify, manage, and mitigate vulnerabilities before hackers do. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do is to visit the official website, which is going to be qualys.com. From here, you have two options. You can contact the Qualys team for any information that you want. You can chat, schedule a demo, request a call or email, or I highly suggest you click the Try Now option. This will forward you to a specific page wherein all you have to do is provide all the information needed. And then you should be able to receive a welcome email from Qualys to click and activate your account and use the OTP provided on the email. Click on submit. Now, once you have successfully created your account, you will be forwarded to the main dashboard. Now, you want to skip this altogether because as you can see that Qualys is going to be offering you a comprehensive suite of cloud-based security and compliance solution, enabling organizations to identify vulnerabilities, monitor assets, and manage risks effectively. Now, on the left side of the interface are all these tools that you can use. All right, you have all these. Now, basically, the dashboard provides a visual summary of security metrics, scan results, and remediation efforts. You see there's going to be like a true risk detection for 90 days, assets, and a lot more. Now, you can customize how you would like to feel with the widgets to focus on key areas like vulnerabilities, asset health, or compliance status. You see there's going to be a plus button here. All right. Now, if you want to customize the way you feel images with secrets, you can put it here. All right. So let's say in this section, and then I'm gonna rename this show description and widget, and click the add to dashboard. Click the add. So basically you have customized the way you wanted to feel or to see your widget here in the dashboard. The vulnerabilities is a section that lists all the discovered vulnerability into your IT environment. You have the asset right here, vulnerability, which includes severity right here. Okay. It means you can have a CVSS score, affected assets, and potential exploits. You can group them by detection age, severity, and a lot more. That means you can filter vulnerabilities by critical, all right, non-running kernel, and patch superseded. So it's really a handy tool. You can also have an option to view the Qualys insights right here on the top to see the total detections. The next is going to be the prioritization. That means you can help rank vulnerabilities based on their risk level. If you want to add to prioritize your remediation activities, you can also add it here. You need to start adding asset tags if you want. For example, and manage passive sensor, cloud agent, malware, domain. You can include all and click the plus button, and you will be forwarded to use the threat intelligence and business impact to highlight which vulnerabilities needs immediate attention. All right. Now, I'm going to skip this and I'm going back again to the next option, which is going to be the responses. Now, it tracks how your organization is responding to identified vulnerabilities, right? You can show mitigation actions, patches applied, and pending security tasks. You have all the information needed here in this section. Another handy feature of Qualys is the scans, all right? Because it will allow you to schedule right here and run vulnerability scans on your network, assets, or applications. Now, the results will be stored for further analysis and reporting. For example, if you want to manage vulnerability scans, click on it. Takes a little while depending on your internet connection. Make sure you are connected and you are not using a VPN. All right? Otherwise, there's going to be a problem with that. And all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Close and continue, search, and click the status, and click the scan troubleshooting. Now, let's go to the report section, which is an option for you to generate detailed reports on vulnerabilities. You can manage your report, configure report templates. All right, let's click that. So that we can customize the report for executives, security teams, auditors, and a lot more. For example, this one. All I have to do is click the new scan template. Now, this will support automated report scheduling when you move it forward. Just wait for a little while. Now we can go over to the title. You can tweak the settings for findings, display, filters, services, and ports, and a lot more. But for now, we're going to click on save. Okay, so moving forward, after going to the reports, all right, so you can test it if you want, but make sure all of the options here are correct. Now we go to the remediation. Now it focuses on tracking the fixing of vulnerabilities. Similar to the reports, you can assign tasks to IT, reorder your rules, and of course configure ticket rules. That helps measure remediation progress and compliance with SLA. Now, next is going to be the assets, wherein you can list all IT assets, for example, servers, endpoints, applications, and cloud resources being monitored. You can add domains for discovery scans, search your assets, or organize assets into groups. Now, this in turn will help you track which systems are vulnerable and need patching. All right. Next is going to be the knowledge base, which is kind of like a very straightforward centralized repository of known vulnerabilities, CVEs, and security advisories. You can update frequently with new vulnerability definitions and security insights. For example, if you click on the Explore the Knowledge Base, it will be forwarded in this section. It takes a little while. Now, what will happen is, once it's loaded, you would notice these are going to be some of the security threats so that you can stay informed about the latest threats and options. Now, for the users, this is just a very short section wherein you can manage user accounts, roles, and permissions within Qualys. Admins can control the different Qualys features based on team responsibilities, which help reinforce role-based access control, RBAC. All right. Now, once you get familiarized yourself with Qualys, you would notice that it's going to be one of the best cloud-based security and compliance platform that would help you and your organizations identify and manage cybersecurity risks. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.